Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. This is going to be a quick little video in which I would like to show you how to add additional tabs or additional services to the main menu displayed on your mobile phone. So let's jump right into it. For that, you need to be in your mobile Binance menu here, and you have to make sure that you are in the home menu here on Binance. And then, as you can see right here, I've got seven options, 7 different services. You can choose how many services you want to have. I think usually initially you will have 3 displayed with a bunch of other icons next to it. I think this is a recent feature. I have not seen it before. In any case, you go again to the button that says more on it, and over here right at the top it says current homepage services. Right to the right of it is a yellow button. You push that and then you receive all the services, which you can unclick, take away, remove, and then add whatever other you want. So if you want for example your fan club, you can add that, and Bobbit. If you don't have a Bobbit token, I will explain what a Bobbit token is in a little bit in another video. And once you have added all the things that you wanted to add, you push done, and then you've got yourself 7 icons, 7 services that have been added to your Binance menu here, to the current homepage services menu. So if you go back to your homepage, there are 7 services. So that's it. That's a short little video. I wanted to show you how to do that. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other video, my previous video on how to activate your mobile mock trading account on Binance. And if you haven't seen the other video on how to actually set up a mock trading account on Binance, then make sure to check that out. Check that out as well on the channel. And of course, keep on trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.